There are many modern technologies that help you get data from your machines, but to make that data actionable, to get the full story on how things are operating, that's what can provide you with the valuable insights needed to improve your business. We understand the typical challenges our customers face, including improving overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, improving energy management, and finally, interoperability, integration, and security. We also understand that sometimes there are underlying issues you may not even be aware of that can impact your overall performance. By not only gathering data, but turning it into actionable insights, we can help you find solutions that include predictive maintenance, improved throughput to enhance quality and cycle times, energy efficiency and sustainability, and delivering secure connectivity by embedding open IIoT protocols in our hardware and using cyber-secure edge devices which allow you to easily access insights and analytics. Emerson has various fluid control and pneumatics-oriented solutions to provide these insights. We can address each variable of the OEE calculation with analytics and actionable insights that address machine availability, performance, and quality. By monitoring cylinder speed and cycle times, as well as the life cycle of valves and cylinders, we can deliver predictive maintenance and throughput enhancing solutions to improve OEE of your machines. We can unlock access to energy data you may not even know is possible. By monitoring compressed air consumption patterns, optimizing compressed air consumption, and detecting leakages, you can lower your energy costs, reduce your CO2 footprint, and improve energy efficiency and sustainability of your facility. As manufacturers look to unlock the benefits of digital transformation, it can be overwhelming to tackle the various architectures and connections needed to realize the benefits brought by various suppliers. Emerson embeds open IIoT protocols in its devices to make them easily connect into existing customer software or cloud systems. We offer various flexible architecture designs to deliver the actionable insights. It is not necessary to interfere with the existing control architecture, and our solutions can easily retrofit to existing machines with the use of edge gateways. Security is of the utmost importance for our solutions. By using open protocols and cyber-secure edge devices, we deliver security and encryption by design. These are the types of insights we can give you during one of our workshops, providing guidance and potential outcomes to benefit your business. Our approach is tailored to your business so we can actually look into your machines to discover how well they're operating. As experts in digital transformation, we not only do workshops, but we also support broad customer initiatives around energy consumption reduction and OEE.
Here's an example of how we bring this process into practice. Here we are at an automatic assembly line using robotic arms to put together truck products. Some typical challenges found here are air leakages, which prevent you from being energy efficient and sustainable, both of which can end up costing a lot of money over time. In most cases, this type of machine would be expected to expel 600 parts per day. Using that as our baseline, let's now connect it to our AVENTICS Smart Pneumatics Analyzer, or SPA. Our SPA is an IIoT solution consisting of an air preparation unit, a Smart Pneumatics monitor or SPM gateway, and an airflow sensor. As you can see, our comprehensive solution can easily be integrated and connected to an existing machine to measure pressure and potential flow leakages. As you can see, our SPA displays how we are measuring the pressure and flow of air in a simple and easy to read format that delivers actionable information on the machine's performance. Here you can clearly see that a leak has been detected. As a result, this machine has been using 100 nm per minute instead of the anticipated 70. With this valuable insight into your machine's performance, you can take action to correct it, saving you money and increasing productivity.
This example illustrates one way we can help you better understand the many benefits our solution can provide. Our discrete point-in-time measurement solution is designed to provide you with key data to improve your efficiency. If you are looking for a way to continuously monitor these KPIs and have immediate access to actionable insights, we have various ways to deliver this information with beneficial options. Connecting the software into a complete architecture would provide a comprehensive view like the one seen here. While it may look a little overwhelming at first, we advise customers to start small initially, prove ROI, and then scale up to broader solutions. We have helped many customers throughout the entire process, and we can do the same for you. If you would like to learn more and have one of our trained experts analyze one of your machines for potential savings and improvements, including better efficiency and productivity, please register for our Emerson Digital Transformation Introductory Session.